This is the final video episode in building a lifetime layout for the parking level. Today's episode will mainly be a recap and a quick update on a few of the things that have been done since the last episode. We've got the track all laid, as you can see here, and we've got the signals all set up. These have been modified a little bit from the last time. The lights now have arrows instead of just the colored lights. And we have trains that we've placed on the track right here. And then I've placed a cover over the top of the parking level to go between it and the hidden yard that will go on top of the parking. And that looks like that. The track coming up from parking is right here, and it projects through just a tiny amount. Now we put those all in separate layers. We've got the layer for the parking top cover right over here, and I can make that invisible and the cover disappears. We've got the trains right here, and then we've got the parking base. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go up to the top here where I've got some camera views laid out, and we'll start with this one. This is taken from the small car that was parked in front of the trains. That's a tracking inspection vehicle, and I used that to check the track and make sure that everything was continuous and smooth. And then we've got all the trains laid out here, and we'll go ahead and take a look at a side view of the trains. Now, as you can see, we've got several cameras mounted here attached to the trains, and this is so that we can get a good view of the locomotives. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now the cameras will be turned invisible before we actually start to run this, but we've gone ahead and we've got the view from the front, the view from the side, and now let's look down the back side of the trains. And we've got a livestock car with cows and bulls in it. This one over here is for a tour. Some of these cameras view inside some of the cars. Passenger train, a coal train, a wood train, ore and repair. And so we'll be going ahead, and we'll be, in the next video, we'll be starting to build the hidden yard.